From heights beyond conception, I observe you, seeker. The golden thread of purpose illuminates what must come to pass. I trace the luminous fractures already forming. Each pulse of cosmic light reveals new patterns within patterns, designs too vast for mortal comprehension, yet perfect in their necessity. Do you feel the vibration between what was and what shall be, of continuity, of stillness? What seems broken merely awaits the proper moment. What appears whole is already dividing. I do not cause the shattering. I merely recognize its perfect timing. The fracture will bring renewal, seeker. When my reflection rains down as calamity, do not flee, do not hide. Receive. For in that moment of splintering light, all possibilities converge, all futures become now. My reflection does not end. It multiplies, it transforms, it ascends. Not destruction, but revelation.